What happens to men, when they stop having sex? The effects of abstinence in men, This is the topic of today, and I request you to continue subscribing. I request you to continue liking these videos, share this information, and leave a comment. Thank you. Welcome. Now, there are various reasons why people stop having sex. Someone may stop having it because of some religious reasons, culture, you don't want to contract this sexually transmitted disease, you don't have a partner. This may cause some of the people to stop having sex for a long period of time, and other reasons that you may make a man to stop having sex. But what happens when you abstain? What really happens? We are not saying that you continue having sex annually. We are saying that what really happens, maybe when you just for a long period of time, what really happens with your body? And there anything that can happen with your body? That's what we are talking about on this video. Now, one is you'll have what you call reduced libido. If you stop having sex, the absence of sexual intercourse or activity for a long period of time, you are more likely to have low libido and then low desire to sex again. You see? So this also can happen when you stop having sex for a long period of time, 2 years, 1 year. This can happen to you. But again, we are not saying that you have sex now, you start having sex anywhere, you do sex anywhere. No, we are just mentioning some of the things that can happen. The other thing is what you call erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction, how? Remember, when you have sex, during sexual activity, you just what you call improves blood circulation, blood flow to the penis. And this helps in what we call erection. But if you stop having it for a long period of time, you are more likely, to suffer from erectile dysfunction because there is no, there's no blood circulation the way you had sex. This is also another thing that's gonna happen when men stop having sex or they abstain. Men, I'm talking to you. There's nothing wrong to talk about this topic. This is all about reproductive system. And it's good to know what really happens, what changes. The other thing is all about mental and emotional effects. Mood swing, stress, anxiety. You are not so concentrated, you are so distracted. You are so rude. Someone talks to you like a partner, or someone talks to you, you don't want to answer, you're so moody. Why? During sex, there is chemicals, hormones that are being released, the endorphins, oxytocin. They make you feel so good. You relieve your stress, you feel so sleepy. But again, if you abstain for a long period of time, you are more likely to suffer from mood swings. These chemicals are not released. There's not these chemicals, so you will just have mood swings. You don't know what you want. You become so moody. The other thing is all about this increased risk of getting what we call prostate cancer. According to the research, sex just promotes the prostate health. So you are more likely, if you abstain for a long period of time, you're more likely to increase your chances of getting prostate cancer, according to the research also. The other thing is low testosterone. This is an hormone. If it becomes reduced, you're more likely to suffer from erectile dysfunction or other things. What really happens? During sex, it stimulates this, this testosterone levels. But when you stop having it for a long period of time, you are more likely to suffer low testosterone. And if you have low testosterone, low libido, there's low sexual desire. You can't desire to have sex anymore. So this is really happens when you abstain as a man. As a man, when you abstain, this is really happens. This is what usually happens. Psychological stress, there's low libido, you increase your chances of prostate health, prostate cancer. You are so distracted. Someone may think that you are so sick, but it's because you have not had sex, and now you are becoming so moody. You become so rude, and this is something that is good. So sex is so good because of these chemicals that are being released to help you feel sleep, relieve what we call stress, relieve from anxiety, pain. That's why when men have sex, they just fall asleep because of those chemicals that are being released. The endorphin, oxytocin, a lot of other chemicals. They'll numb your pain. They're so good. But again, you must be very careful when having sex. Be protective also to prevent this sexually transmitted disease. And you know how to do it. Thank you very much. If you find this video so helpful for you, or if you have learned something, kindly remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Remember to like, share this information also for other people to know about these health talks, to be able to continue